Hello everybody, and welcome to another video on our channel, CryptBuddie, where we will be talking about everything related to blockchain, smart contracts, and cryptocurrencies. You know there are a lot of newcomers coming into crypto, and they know nothing about it, but still want to invest, so this video is for them. But before we start, as I always say, it is important to note that I am not a financial advisor, and everything in this video is not financial advice. So, let's start the video without any further delay. Everyone seems to be obsessed with cryptocurrency trading. After all, why not? Crypto is the way of the future. It is causing havoc not only in the financial industry, but also in other important industries such as information technology, healthcare, retail, tourism, travel, automotive, and many more. However, while owning Bitcoin sounds appealing, properly managing it is difficult. Cryptocurrency trading is popular, and many people want to know how it works. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency trading, you've come to the perfect place. Many considerations and particular measures must be followed when trading cryptocurrency. Experts advise that before spending time and money on cryptocurrency trading, you should have a thorough understanding of cryptocurrencies, crypto exchanges, cryptocurrency security, and all of the relevant terminologies. In today's frantic cryptocurrency market, it's critical to keep the appropriate techniques in mind when making trading decisions, and to be aware of the risks that might arise at any time. Although cryptocurrency trading is not the same as stock market trading, some stock market trading techniques can be used in cryptocurrency trading. As a result, stock market knowledge can be useful when it comes to adopting crypto trading. Let us first define the term trading before moving on to cryptocurrency trading. Trading can be described as the practice of purchasing and selling assets for a profit. Goods and services are examples of assets that can be exchanged between trading parties. We're talking about financial markets, which are where financial instruments are traded. Stocks, money, cryptocurrencies, margin goods, and so on are examples of them. Trading is typically thought of as a short-term endeavor. Nevertheless, many people are misled by this notion. Later on, we'll go through the many sorts of trading, such as day trading, swing trading, and trend trading. Buying and selling cryptocurrencies on a crypto trading platform or exchange is known as cryptocurrency trading. Coinbase, Binance, CoinDCX, and others are some of the most prominent cryptocurrency trading platforms. Investing differs from trading in that trading focuses on making a profit in a short period, whereas investment focuses on holding assets for the long term. We must look for long-term patterns and ignore short-term swings in the market while making any investment. The primary purpose of Bitcoin investment is to obtain more coins. For example, if you buy 4 Bitcoins at a given price, the value of your entire asset will increase proportionally to the coin price after a few years. Trading, on the other hand, is concerned with short-term swings. Therefore, understanding the daily market is necessary while trading. The main purpose is to gain money in any form. If you want to succeed in cryptocurrency trading, experts recommend learning about market trends and short-term price trends. It's more like buying low and selling high, and the patterns end up working to your advantage. To make the most money in Bitcoin trading, you'll need to drop coins frequently. The buyer and seller are combined in the trade framework. One will profit and the other will lose in trading. Simply put, if one individual profits from selling, the other will have a potentially minimal advantage. When it comes to cryptocurrency trading, keep in mind that one of the most important things to remember is to comprehend market movements to avoid large losses. Because the crypto market is so volatile, it's best to invest just what you can afford to lose. And if you're a beginner, you should seek advice from a professional. A certified cryptocurrencies trader is an expert in using market trends to manage the purchasing and selling of cryptocurrency. They are also aware of the trade structure and carry out the commerce following it. If you're interested in learning more about crypto trading, you should think about the elements that influence market patterns. For example, when a large number of people place an order, the price usually rises. When consumers sell more than they buy, however, the price tends to fall. So that concludes today's video. Now, I hope you've clearly understood what crypto is, as I've tried to explain it as simply as possible. If you have found the content helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and do subscribe to our channel to help us get more subscribers and for more weekly content just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.